Hi guys, I'm Kier and this is my studio, and today is kind of like a part 2 to my last planning video. I just wanted to show you guys how I use my leftover kits in my Hobonichi cousin. If you watched my other planning video, then you know that I cut my washi in half so that I may be able to use it in 2 spreads, my Hobonichi weeks and my Hobonichi cousin. I also wanted to say that this is the only time that I will be showing how I use leftover kits because I don't want this to get too repetitive and you see the same kits over and over and over again. So I'll either show you a plan with me video every week or a memory plan video for you every week, but I'm not going to show you both every week just because I don't want it to be too repetitive showing you the same kits. I added washi from the Giving Girl just to go ahead and make it look more fuller at the bottom, and now I am whiting out the dates so I can use the date covers from the kit. If a kit comes with date covers, then I like to save those for my Hobonichi cousin just so it could look more cohesive because it's a bigger spread, it's much larger of a book and there's a lot more white space. So to bring in the kit more, I save the date covers. If it sounds like I'm sick or tired, it's because, hi, I am. Not really sick. It's just that my allergies are going crazy right now. And it's like 5 o'clock in the morning because it's the only time I could get this voice recording done. This video is actually planned to go up on Monday. However, I have been pulling a lot of shifts at work, so I was not able to get to the voiceover. It was already done. I just had to put on a voiceover and edit it, but I never got the chance to do it. So now you're getting this video extremely late, and I apologize. But just to let you know, those date dots are from the Giving Girl, and now I am using this skinny washi from Amazon. Yeah, I got this washi from Amazon, and I'm basically just using it to separate the days. Also, I have no clue what is wrong with my lights, but they're like doing this strobe light thing and it's driving me crazy. I guess I need to go ahead and buy new lights, but first I gotta get the bills paid. So do that first, and then yes, that is on my bucket list. So you guys won't be getting driven crazy because I know I certainly am, because I don't know what the heck my lights are doing. But now I am going in with these little bow dividers from the Giving Girl that are just so freaking cute, and I think it just adds a whole lot to a spread to use these cute dividers. Here I am about to do something sacrilegious and cut a full box. I know, some of you guys are cringing so hard right now, like, what? How could you cut, and not even just any full box, a full box with foil on it? It just feels so wrong, right? But I have to, for my sake, in order to get the full boxes to fit nicely in the cousin. I told you guys in the last video, I'm not afraid to do sticker surgery. So if I gotta cut something, it's gonna get cut. And I'm sorry if this makes you cringe. I know I was talking to my friend and she was telling me that she can't stand that I cut the full boxes because it feels almost wasteful to her. And I can understand what she's saying because I'm not using part of a sticker. But I gotta do what I gotta do for me. I am now using these little check flags that I cut up. Check flags. It was a checklist, but with bows on it. And I cut it to make it look like a flag. There you go. To mark all the days I gotta work. And that weekend script is also from the Giving Girl. I have tons of foil from the Giving Girl. So, yeah. Don't be surprised if you hear her name in every single video. Finally, moving into the sidebar, I use actually a little piece of a full box that I cut off as a washi strip to begin with. Then I put down some washi, a label, and a what are those called? Monday through Sundays? Is it like a habit tracker kind of thing? I forgot what those things are called. But I put down that in a full box and some more washi. And that makes up my sidebar. For my Hobonichi cousin, I actually like to see the little calendar at the top. So I rarely ever place anything on top of those. I don't know. I guess I just like to see exactly where I am in the month. So as you can see now, I'm just doing a little bit more sticker surgery, but everything comes out just fine. Now I am just trying to figure out where I am going to put all my full boxes. As you planner babes know, this is an art in itself. And as you can see, I actually moved some things around off camera. These work scripts were from The Giving Girl, and that weather icon is from Tassel Planner, who is closed now. That car icon is from, who is that from? Oh, Wild Summer Design. And the poop emoji, that's also from The Giving Girl. Oh, and that golden like arrow strip that is behind the car, that is from Magic Prints Co. So all the weather icons are going to be from Tassel Planner. Damn, I almost forgot her name, my bad. And all the colorful circle icons are going to be from Wild Summer Designs. And all your transparent foiled icons are going to be from The Giving Girl. And any golden strip or the backpacks that'll pop up are from Magic Prints Co. And those are the only people I used for this spread in particular. Now, let me tell you about Wednesday, since I'm getting ready to mark it right now. Wednesday was a hell of a day for me. That's why boom, it gets a full box, because it was pretty, you see the emojis. So, try not to cuss. It was pretty poopy day. My daughter was at school, so I had my two boys, and I guess they decided to go in cahoots with each other and said that today is the day we're going to drive mommy crazy. Oh, that brush is also from Tassel Planner, and the black icons are from the Me and My Big Ideas sticker books. Just in case I did not mention that, they are from the mom one, the super mom one. There we go. And that highlighter on Thursday was from Wild Summer Design. There we go. Okay, back to the story. So my youngest boy decided that he was going to drive me crazy by finding a pen and just drawing all over the walls. So I had to spend that Wednesday night cleaning up the walls. But wait, it gets worse. Then there's my oldest boy. I was in my room during nap time, and I heard my oldest boy coughing. So I'm like, oh, let me go ahead and go check up on him. And so that's what I did. But when I went into his room, he was not there. So I'm like panicking now. Where the heck is this boy? And I'm looking around all of the house. I'm looking in bathtubs. I'm looking under the beds. I'm looking in closets. And I have no clue where this boy is. So now I'm panicking and I'm crying, and I ran outside to see if he was outside, and I'm just looking all over the house. I called his father like, hey, our kid is missing. Should I call the cops? Because I really don't know where he is. And then I hung up and I started crying some more, right? Then I realized there was one spot that I didn't check, which was in the office. There's like a little cupboard under the desk. And I checked it, and he was just in there, not doing anything, not crying, not laughing. Sorry, my voice is cracking because of my allergies. But just in there being a child, I guess. And at first I yelled at him because I was so scared. Like, where the heck did you go? But then, of course, once I tucked him back in the bed, because it was during nap time, so yes, your little behind is going right back to sleep. I just told him calmly, like, hey, that's scared, mommy. Please don't do that again. You're getting good at hide and seek, pal, but you have to let me know when you're ready to play it, because otherwise I just think that you go missing or something bad happened to you, okay? And he's just like, okay, mommy. But something tells me he's going to pull that little trick again, because when I did finally find him, he was laughing. So, I don't know. Did that ever happen to anybody else before? Are your kids just a little too good at hide and seek? Most kids laugh when they hear you coming because they kind of want to be found. Mines are really good at the game, and they don't tell me when they're playing it, so it really gets my heart racing. I hope I'm not the only one that has to deal with this. There has to be another mother out there. But anyways, I am using my favorite pen, the Muji .38, to fill out this whole spread. It works beautifully on Hobonichi paper, and that's just about it. I love you guys, and I'll see you when I see you.